Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maternal nursing. Begin by building a strong foundation in the basics of pregnancy, including physiological changes and fetal development. Focus on understanding the normal progression of labor and delivery, as well as potential complications. This initial knowledge is crucial for grasping more complex topics later on. Prioritize key terms and concepts from your textbook and lectures. Next, dive into essential maternal topics such as high-risk pregnancies, including conditions like preeclampsia or gestational diabetes. Thoroughly review postpartum care, covering both maternal recovery and newborn assessments. Understanding these critical areas will prepare you for diverse clinical scenarios. Pay close attention to medication dosages and nursing interventions specific to these conditions. To maximize your learning, employ effective study strategies. Active recall and spaced repetition are powerful tools for long-term retention. Regularly practice with NCLEX-style questions to familiarize yourself with the exam format and critical thinking required. Forming study groups can also be highly beneficial for discussing complex cases and clarifying difficult concepts with peers. Finally, focus on applying your theoretical knowledge to clinical practice. Think about how different conditions manifest and what nursing interventions are appropriate in real-world scenarios. Review ethical considerations and patient safety protocols in maternal newborn care. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This holistic approach will ensure you are well prepared for both exams and clinical settings, making you a confident maternal nurse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.